How to file a complaint against a freight broker. Payment disputes usually occur when there are disagreements over financial transactions between trucking companies and freight brokers. The most common causes are payment delays and instances of broker non-payment. A crucial element in these disputes is the MC number, a unique identifier for motor carriers issued by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. This number is vital when filing a complaint against a broker. File a freight broker complaint, a step-by-step guide. When a trucking company encounters a payment dispute, it should begin by collecting all pertinent information, such as the broker's MC number, name, and the disputed amount. The complaint is then lodged with the FMCSA, which involves filling out a form and providing a detailed account of the issue. Providing comprehensive details is crucial to facilitate an effective FMCSA investigation. The importance of evidence in disputes. Keeping detailed records of all interactions and transactions with freight brokers is essential. This includes contracts, communication logs, and proof of deliveries. Such evidence is invaluable in cases of unpaid freight charges and should be organized and presented clearly during any dispute resolution process. Exploring legal options and resolution methods. Trucking companies have several legal avenues available in the event of payment disputes. The DOT and FMCSA provide escalation procedures for filing complaints. Mediation and arbitration are also alternative methods for resolving such disputes. These legal avenues should be explored before initiating any direct action. How FreightBrokerComplaint.com is a significant resource for trucking companies in these disputes. The website provides investigative services and a public listing of complaints against freight brokers. For a fee, trucking companies can access detailed investigation reports, making this platform a valuable tool in managing payment disputes. Preventive measures and best practices. To avoid payment disputes, trucking companies should thoroughly understand carrier-broker agreements before signing. Key elements of these agreements include payment terms, freight rates, bills of lading, and dispute resolution processes. Monitoring the performance and history of freight brokers, possibly through FMCSA resources, is also recommended to prevent potential issues. In conclusion, payment disputes between trucking companies and freight brokers can cause significant disruptions in the logistics industry. Companies should approach these disputes methodically, equipped with thorough documentation and an understanding of their legal options. FreightBrokerComplaint.com provides a unique platform for trucking companies to address non-payment issues, investigate unscrupulous brokers, and file complaints effectively. Implementing best practices in agreement scrutiny and broker evaluation can further assist trucking companies in preventing such disputes. Always remember, knowledge is key to your success in the trucking industry. Be prepared to always perform due diligence when working with Freight Broker. If you find yourself in trouble, reach out to FreightBrokerComplaint.com.